Alright, small update on the dong thing. Ended up having a piston slap due to my cousin trying to install a 72cc Naraku from 50cc stock. Right now it's being worked on. Pull the head off. Probably gonna put stock cam back in. Just wanted to give you guys updates. Now you probably have been wondering, what's up with this guy in the videos? He's supposed to be posting videos. Hey bro, where your videos uploads? And you gotta get it fixed first. But you see everything's pretty much pulled off. Cam in there. Now I'm wondering, because that's an aftermarket cam, it's Taiwanese. So I'm wondering if that probably knocked the timing off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the stock sprocket back in, camshaft. But there's not much to update about it. I'm down for right now. Tools, oil. But I'll get you guys updates as they come along. I'll probably end up recording a little bit more later today. Let me see if I can try to get some help with getting this thing done, because I'm tired of looking at it just sitting here. It's money just standing there, man. But anyway, catch you guys in a few.